What's up, guys? We're back with another video. So today we're gonna be resurfacing my rotor for the V6. So stay tuned. So this is the rotor I got. I got four rotors. I bought the brakes from somebody in Brooklyn, big brake kit, and I took off the brakes and the caliper and everything, rotors and all. And I said, okay, this don't look too bad. Then I turned it around and I said, golly. If you look at that, that got engraved in around the whole surface. So what I'm gonna do is try and resurface this where this lip matches this part of the rotor, because this is ridiculous. This is crazy. I'm gonna try my best to resurface this. So the tools you are going to need is an angle grinder, and once you have an angle grinder like me, this is a 60 grit. So it's a grinding and polishing flap disc. It looks like this. So this is a 60 grit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the angle grinder and go against the whole entire rotor, where I could try to resurface it as much as possible. So before we start, make sure you have a mask, because this is gonna have a lot of dust. So, and you don't want to inhale that. That's not good for your lungs. So just make sure you have a mask before you start. Not so bad now. It's not so bad now. I still have a lot more to go, but it's getting better. Way better than what it was before. So I'm gonna show you the result when I'm finished with this. So this is how much I got up to so far. I still have this whole ridge to do over here. This side I'm gonna just buff it out after. This side got smooth, as you can see. It got smooth, so I'm gonna buff this out after. But this is how much I got left. Now, is this fast to doing the job? No, it's not fast. So I was not going to sit here and let you guys watch me for a good 23 minutes just trying to sand this down. So I'm being straight up with you guys, because a lot of YouTubers would like say, oh, they'll do it and think it will just get done in one video. It is going to be one video, but at the end of the day, it's time consuming, because you have to take out the engraves that was already inside the rotor. So yeah, so I'm almost done. I'll show you the finished product after when I'm finished. more groove. No more groove. So this is the rotor that I had resurfaced. As you can see, on the side as well. It's very smooth. So as you drive the car, the brakes will wear on it, and this will get really smooth. So yes, this is it. And then also, this is just rust. This is just rust, so this will wear down while the car is driving. And these are the brakes. So as you can see, the two rotors are two different sizes. This is the front, this is the rear, that's the front, and this is the back. So yeah. So yep, that's all. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.